Hi, this is Chris Haughey. Thank you for joining me on Create with Chris. Today I'm going to be sharing a new tool, the Squid Buddy. Stick around and find out what it's all about. Check out the Squid Buddy. This is the cutest little tool that I have seen for a long time. And basically it is a cleaning tool. It's very flexible, has a cute little face on it. It's flexible, it has big cleaning tips on one end, smaller tips on the other. There is a removable sponge inside, and what it is recommended is that you squirt a little cleaning fluid in the sponge and it will automatically dispense cleaner as you scrub. So I thought this would be ideal for cleaning stencils. I use stencils all the time and am constantly struggling to keep them clean. I have one that I used today. I don't have any cleaner in the sponge. I just have a little bit of water. I tried the small end and the big end, and they both work really well. Very, very gentle on the stencil. What didn't come off with the Squid Buddy was easily wiped off with the paper towel. This is a stencil I used today, and I sprayed it with water. And I thought I would give the Squid Buddy a try on a bigger stencil. The small end wasn't as effective as the bigger cleaning tips on the bottom, but this is so nice because it's not twisting or pulling the stencil whatsoever. The stencil's laying flat. This would be so much better to use in the bottom of a flat sink. Using it on a paper towel is not ideal, but it seems to be very effective. And I'm just kind of going up and down and over, and it's just really lifting that. And I believe there were probably at least 2, if not 3 coats of paint on that. Now that I have the majority of the paint off, I switched to the smaller end to see if that's going to pull it off any better. This was another part of the stencil that I used today. I just thought I'd try the small end on that. Gosh, it cleaned it up just lickety split. It really did a fantastic job. And I did go back and scrub it just a little bit more. I think a lot of it depends on how long the paint's been on there, but it just seems like it's really good at pulling it off regardless. And I went back, I took away the paper towel. I just had difficulty with that paper towel kind of disintegrating and balling up in the tool itself. So definitely works best on a very flat surface. Very gentle. I love that it's not destroying the stencil whatsoever. Once the stencil gets bent, it's just really hard to get it to lay down flat again. And I do think having a cleaning solution in the sponge would expedite cleaning tremendously. So I think my general opinion of the Squid Buddy is that it is an exceptionally handy tool to keep on hand. It seems like it's going to be very easy to clean, especially putting a cleaner in the sponge is going to make it ready to use pretty much anytime you need it. It would be easy to store. It's lightweight. The 2 different cleaning tips on each end make it ideal for any size stencil. They are, I believe, manufactured with the stamping industry in mind, so this would be a great tool to use for stamps as well as stencils. So I think my Squid Buddy will be super handy and super adorable. If you would like to have your own Squid Buddy, it's available on my website, www.cdwood.com. Please check out my other videos on YouTube, share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Remember to hit the bell to be notified when my next video is created. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to our next painting adventure.